To view, modify, or create your Schedule Genie module and allow for 24/7 appointment setting, first click on the Apps tab from the navigation menu, then select Schedule Genie. This will open the Schedule Genie module page. Each Schedule Genie will need to be linked to or reference an availability schedule. Availability schedules may be configured in the Availability section of Company Settings. To edit a schedule, simply click the Edit Schedules button next to the Availability schedule selected. Some CRMs allow calendar integration or syncing. If your CRM allows for this integration, you may turn on External Availability Schedule. When active, these settings within Schedule Genie will only be used if the external CRM is unavailable. If available, those CRM calendar settings will override the settings below. The appointment duration is the length of the appointment. You may choose between anywhere from 0 up to 2 hours and 45 minutes depending on your type of appointment or meeting needed. To further configure your calendar, you may add time in between appointments. This is great for those times when you need to prepare for another meeting or complete documents from your previous meeting. Schedule Genie will also adjust your calendar based on the number of appointments per day and the available number of appointments per each time slot. For instance, if you have multiple employees that may be able to help multiple customers at the same time, you may increase this from 1 to 2, or the number that you can comfortably handle during the same time slot. Please note that once the number of appointments per day has been reached, no further appointments for that day may be scheduled. You may also remove a time slot once it has been reserved or booked. If you do not remove the time slot, it will still appear within the module calendar. However, leads and customers will not be able to select that time. You may also add a restriction such as how soon a prospect or customer may schedule an appointment. When same day is selected, this will allow customers and leads to schedule an appointment on the same day. If you would like to reach out to the customer to confirm appointment details, we recommend changing this to at least 2 days to provide your team necessary time to review the request. You may also set a restriction as to how far in advance a customer or lead may request an appointment. This can be anywhere from 1 week to 1 year. The appointment address is also included in the confirmation email sent to your lead or customer. If your company address is not the same as the appointment location, simply click the Use Another Address link and enter the appointment address. This appointment address will also be included in the confirmation email. To adjust the text on the module, you may add a call to action, such as request a tour now. This text will be displayed on the module in its minimized state. After submitting the request, the success message will appear. Below the success message is a confirmation message. This confirmation message is displayed just above the appointment date and time. So please keep this in mind when you are writing your confirmation message. You may also set required or optional questions for leads and customers. These allow you to ask questions up front and gain more insights into what your leads or customers are seeking for during the meeting. Customer appointments per time slot is a way to override those number of appointments per time slot above. For instance, if you have multiple employees available to help customers some days but not others, you may have custom time slots created for each day of the week. In addition to requesting an appointment, you can now request specific appointment types. This will allow you and your customer to agree on the best type of appointment for comfort. Anything from virtual to in-person can be selected. Only those selected appointment types will be displayed for your customer to choose. A confirmation text message is also sent to your customer if they have opted into receiving SMS messages. Displayed is the default message. However, this can be changed and modified to match your company's branding. If you would like to sync the appointment calendar with a Google or Outlook calendar, you can do so by clicking Configure Calendar. If you would like to view and edit the confirmation email sent to clients or customers, simply click the Edit Email button. To override those employees that receive the notification settings, simply toggle Override Lead Notification Settings on and then complete the fields below. Once you've completed the setup, simply click Save.